3 life-changing signs na panahon na para magpa-eye check-up. Hi, ako po si Doc Karina from Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, and today, let me give you 3 life-changing signs na panahon na para magpa-eye check-up. Kahit pa feeling mo, okay ka pa. Number 1, blurry vision, pagbabago sa paningin. Napapansin mo bang kailangan mong ilayo or ilapit ang cellphone mo para mabasa ang text? That's not just pagod. That could be a sign of refractive errors like astigmatism or even presbyopia. Early detection, save your vision. Number 2, headaches or eye strains. Kung madalas ang sakit ng ulo mo, lalo na after screen time or reading, baka ang mata mo na ang tunay na culprit. Uncorrected vision problems can cause your eye muscles to overwork. With the right lenses, tanggal agad ang unnecessary strain. Number 3, dryness, redness, or frequent rubbing para may buhangin sa mata. That could be dry eye syndrome, allergy, or early signs of digital eye fatigue. Hindi mo kailangan tiisin yan. We can help relieve your symptoms and improve your comfort. A simple eye exam can change your life, help you see clearly, feel better, and live fully. Hindi lang lente ang binibigay namin. Binabalik namin ang tiwala mo sa sarili. So if you're seeing changes or just want to be sure, come see us at Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab because your future deserves clear vision. Let's catch the problem before it catches you. Let's protect your eyes para sa mas malinaw, mas makulay na bukas.
Bukad